In Xojo 2023 Release 2, it's possible to receive the KeyDown events in the Canvas instances of your iOS projects. In order to receive these events, you will need to set the Allow Key Events property to True. In addition, the Canvas instance also needs to be enabled and with the focus set. So if we run this example project, we can see how this is a regular Canvas subclass where we can set the focus on it via code and also enable it setting its Allow Key Events to True. Once this last property is set, you can see how the on-device keyboard is automatically displayed on the screen. Of course, if you have any hardware keyboard connected to your iOS device, then the Canvas will receive the KeyDown events from it. Here we can see how this is a regular canvas painting a black dot in response of the user finger tapping and dragging along its area. And as soon as we start typing in the keyboard, the canvas will paint the pressed keys via the code we wrote in the KeyDown event. Of course, it also supports receiving as key events the selection not only of the usual characters, but also of any emojis. If we take a look at the example project details, you can see how this Canvas instance is created from a Canvas subclass and added to the project where the KeyDown event handler is implemented, along the paint, pointer down, pointer drag events, and also the new text receive event handler. This one will be fired when the canvas receives text whose length is greater than just one key press, such as when using the dictation feature including in the iOS keyboard.